Hi everyone, welcome back to 80 Foods. Are you having fun with me? Great! I'm having fun with you too. This time we will learn about salad. In the picture you see vegetables, eggs, and tomatoes. Can you see sauce on the salad? I can't see it. It's time to start. First, we will study some words.
Meat. This is meat. It comes from an animal, and you eat it. Do you like meat? What is your favorite? Beef? Pork? Chicken? Sauce. A sauce is a thick liquid. The picture shows two kinds of sauce. One is ketchup, and the other is mayonnaise. We dip food into sauce or put it on food.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Meat. Sauce.
Now it's time to read. After you read it, you will take a quiz.
Do you like vegetables? How about salad? Salad is made of vegetables. Fruit, cooked meat, and other foods can also be added. Look at the picture. Eggs and tomatoes are in the salad. We pour sauce on the salad to add flavor. The sauce is called dressing. Caesar and Thousand Island are popular dressings. It doesn't look like the salad in the picture has dressing.
What is the main ingredient in salad? Egg. Vegetables. What is dressing? Meat. Salad sauce.
What is your favorite salad dressing? Do you know Thousand Island dressing? That is my favorite with salad. That's all for today. See you next class. Goodbye.